What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Snapchat and Instagram, to be the first to know when my videos go live. Anyhow, today's video is going to be short and straight to the point. I do have to take the car into the dealer. A few months ago I noticed that there was a problem with the button on the hatch, the little rubber button that you would generally press to open the hatch. It's no longer working, so I do have to take the car in and get that resolved. I've taken apart the actual trim pieces and I can't find what the issue is, so I'm just going to let them deal with it. And another issue that I'm having is the bolstering on the seat is wearing down to the point where there's actually a little hole in it now, so hopefully I can get that under warranty as well and we can replace the seat cover. Why is it always ripping right here for everybody? So hopefully Ford takes care of both of those issues, both the seat bolster and the trunk. I have no idea what's going on with the trunk. It has to be an electrical issue. It definitely feels like the button's broken. It literally has no response, but of course the button on the inside and both on the key, they both open up the hatch, no problem. And while the car's at the dealership, I have them do an oil change. I do have lifetime oil changes with them, that's why I don't do my own oil changes. My hatch button no longer works either, so I definitely have to get that addressed and fixed. And while the car is at the dealership, I'm definitely going to have them do an oil change. I do have the lifetime oil change option with them. It costs about $800. It's unlimited oil changes, so I couldn't beat that. That's why I don't do my own oil changes. I just drop it off at the dealership, let them take care of it. It's not worth the hassle for $800 for a lifetime oil change. Video, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you think Ford will warranty both of those items. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Snapchat and Instagram, to be the first to know when my videos go live. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, bro.